Now on our rear hatch lift support here, our particular vehicle has two, one on each side. We're going to use a small pick. We're going to go to the lower one, and there's a metal clip right here. We're just going to pop that out. That'll release it from the ball stud right there. And go ahead and do the same on the upper one here. Pop that right off. You want to pay attention to the orientation. Make sure that the piston side is up top and then the rod is facing the bottom. For installation, we're going to line up the bottom one here. All you want to do is line up the ball stud with the socket, press it right on. It'll snap into place. And then for the upper one, I want to go ahead and do the same. Snap that into place, make sure it's locked in, and you're good.